In this lesson, we're going to do double exposures. A double exposure is when you take two pictures, like the ones up there, and combine them to create something like the one down there. Open Photoshop Mix. Then tap the plus on the left-hand side. I'm going to pick the picture of the smoking person. Then tap the plus on the right-hand side and pick Image. I'm going to choose this nighttime neon shot, and I'm going to resize it to cover the picture of the smoking person. Then I'm going to tap Blend and tap Opacity and slide the opacity over until I can see both pictures. This is what makes it a double exposure. Then tap the check mark. You could make adjustments to the positions so the composition looks better. Then tap Share and pick Camera Roll. And you've made a great double exposure.